More news coming in. Mortal remains of 45 Indians en route to Kochi. Indian Air Force aircraft to bring back remains to Kochi. The Health Minister of Kerala, Veena George, has said the External Affairs Ministry did not give political clearance to a travel to Kuwait. No political clearance. Kerala Health Minister couldn't go to Kuwait. She said that the External Affairs Ministry did not give the clearance. The cabinet had decided to send her and an officer to Kuwait to coordinate everything from the state government side. Remember, 45 Indians had died in Kuwait fire tragedy.
So we are expecting the bodies of the deceased. The bodies are being prepared there, and we are informed that it's almost ready, and they will be transporting it to Kerala, Kochi. And Honorable CM has given all the instructions, and Norca has arranged all 25 ambulances here. So Embassy has declared 23 deaths. I'm talking about Keralites. So 23 deaths are officially declared. Total is 45. Total death toll is 45, officially declared, as per the officially declared list. And 23 are from Kerala. And every arrangement is made. And I am going to Kuwait as per the instruction of Honorable CM and as per the decision of the Cabinet, representing Government of Kerala.
Shibi is getting asked more details on that story this morning. Shibi, what more can you tell us about the mortal remains of the 45 Indians who tragically lost their lives in this horrible fire accident that took place in Kuwait City? By when are their bodies, in fact, their mortal remains, going to be reaching Kochi? And also the kind of relief that has been extended to their family members here.
Well, Sneha, the information that the state government has given is that the mortal remains of these 23 people, the Keralites who died in the Kuwait fire, will be brought to Cochin Airport at 8:30. In fact, there was a request put forward by the state government to the center also to ensure that the mortal remains can be transported directly to one of the airports in Kerala, and that's how the Kochi airport was chosen, is what the government sources are telling. There have been 23 ambulances arranged at the airport. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and the two ministers in charge of the district will be accompanying Chief Minister. They will receive the mortal remains, and right after that, the 23 ambulances will be taking these dead bodies to their respective houses. Is what we have been informed. The state government has announced 5 lakh compensation for the deceased, as 1 lakh compensation for the injured, those who are still under treatment in Kuwait, the various hospitals of Kuwait, plus some of the NRA businessmen who are part of the Norca Routes, which is the platform where the non-resident Keralites details are registered. Some of those prominent businessmen have also announced certain compensation to these families and to those who are injured. So that's what the state government is telling. In fact, Health Minister Veena George was supposed to travel to Kuwait yesterday evening to coordinate all the activities, but there was a lot of uncertainties at the airport when she had reached the airport, and that's when she finally confirmed that she didn't get a political clearance, though it was communicated to the External Affairs Ministry much before by the state government and the Chief Secretary. It was not granted, and she said it's very unfortunate that the Union government did not give a political clearance for her to travel. It was an important one, but that was not granted, is what she said yesterday at the airport.
Be with us. In fact, Shibi, I'm going to come back to you in a moment from now. We're getting in details, in fact, to tell our viewers who've just joined us that this is a horrific tragedy we are talking about from Kuwait City just the day before yesterday, where an Indian housing building caught fire. The fire that started in the kitchen, and 45 Indians have died in this fire tragedy. Listen in once again to the Health Minister of Kerala.
ഈ ഒരു സംഭവത്തിൽ അവരുടെ കുടുംബങ്ങൾ മിക്കവാറും നാട്ടിലായിരിക്കും. അവർക്ക് പോകാൻ കഴിയില്ല.
A lot of families are in Kerala. They will not be able to go. State government had communicated this yesterday to the center.
കേരളത്തിൽ എത്തിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള ക്രമീകരണങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യണമെന്നുള്ളതും ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നു. കാരണം ഏറ്റവും അധികം
they had communicated to the center that the mortal remains of these people should be transferred to Kerala immediately.
ആ മൃതദേഹങ്ങൾ എത്തിക്കണമെന്നുള്ളതാണ് കേരളം ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നത്.